Why is making an offer the most emotional moment in the home buying process?
Because this is where logic meets pressure. You found a home you like. You imagine your life there. And suddenly, fear shows up. Fear of losing the home. Fear of paying too much. Fear of making the wrong move. I'm Dwayne Buzayak, and I can tell you, this moment is where many buyers abandon strategy and start reacting emotionally. That's how regret happens.
What is the biggest mistake buyers make when submitting an offer?
They focus only on price. Price matters, but it's not the whole offer. A winning offer is a package, not just a number. And many buyers overpay simply because they don't understand what sellers actually value.
What do sellers really care about when reviewing offers?
Sellers care about certainty, simplicity, speed, net outcome. They want to know, will this deal close, or will it fall apart? A clean, confident buyer often beats a higher offer with uncertainty.
How does mortgage strength influence offer success?
More than buyers realize. A strong pre-approval tells sellers financing is verified. The buyer is serious. The lender is involved. As Dwayne Buzayak, I coordinate closely with agents so financing supports the offer instead of weakening it. Different loans carry different perceptions. For example, strong conventional financing often feels safest. FHA and VA are excellent loans, but must be explained correctly. Weak approvals raise red flags. This doesn't mean some buyers are disadvantaged, it means presentation matters. By strengthening terms. Terms can include flexible closing timeline, strong earnest money, clean financing conditions, clear communication. Sometimes improving terms wins the deal without adding a single dollar to the price. Earnest money shows commitment. It tells the seller, this buyer is serious and invested. It doesn't always need to be huge, it needs to be appropriate and confident. Not blindly. Waiving inspections can be risky. But inspection strategy matters. Options include informational inspections, shorter inspection timelines, repair limits. As Dwayne Buzayak, I encourage buyers to protect themselves while still remaining competitive. Appraisals matter, especially in competitive markets. If a home doesn't appraise, buyers may need extra cash. Negotiations reopen. Deals can collapse. Smart offers consider appraisal risk before submission, not after. Escalation clauses automatically increase your offer to beat others. They can be useful, or dangerous. Used incorrectly, they reveal your max. Eliminate negotiation leverage. Used correctly, they keep you competitive. Limit overpaying. This is a strategy tool, not a default move. Strategy depends on inventory, days on market, buyer demand, seller motivation. A home sitting for 45 days needs a different approach than one listed yesterday. Reading the market matters.
Why timing matters just as much as price?
Offers submitted early, clean, confident, often outperform last-minute panic offers. Preparation creates timing advantage.
What mistakes cause offers to fall apart later?
Common mistakes include overpromising, ignoring financing details, failing to communicate changes, making emotional decisions. Strong offers are honest, not aggressive.
How does lender communication impact negotiations?
Direct lender communication builds trust. When sellers or agents can verify approval strength, ask questions, confirm timelines, confidence increases. This is why I stay involved beyond paperwork. Understanding their limits, keeping inspection protections, avoiding emotional escalation, aligning financing and offer terms. Winning doesn't mean reckless. Higher price with Weak financing. Unclear terms. Long timelines. Is riskier than a slightly lower clean offer. Sellers know this. As Dwayne Buzayak, I. Analyze approval strength. Coordinate with agents. Review payment impact. Protect buyer comfort. Offers should win and make sense.
What mindset should buyers have during the offer process?
Calm. Prepared. Detached. Emotion leads to overpaying. Strategy leads to success. You don't fail. You learn. You adjust. You move forward smarter. The right home won't require regret. The best offer isn't always the highest. It's the one that fits your finances, protects your future, closes smoothly. If you want help structuring offers that win without overpaying, I'm here. 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastal.com. I'm Dwayne Buzayak, and this series exists to help you buy with clarity, not pressure. In episode 12, we'll break down home inspections, what they really mean, what to worry about, and what not to panic over.